Hello everyone, in this video we'll look at how we can use balancing equations to help us solve for an unknown. So I have two equations here, 5n plus 4 equals 34 and e plus 5 over 3 equals 11. Now for both equations we're going to identify the operations being applied, apply the inverse operation, so remember the opposite in reverse order, so we're going backwards, and we just need to remember that whatever I do to one side of the equation, I do need to do the same to the other side, just to make sure that both sides are still equal. So my first equation, 5n plus 4 equals 34. So what I can see, for operations being applied to n, my first one is to multiply by 5. So I've got times 5. And then my second one is to add 4. So they're my two operations. So as I undo these, we're going to deal with that second one first. Again, this is going in reverse order. So before, if I added 4, now I'm going to take away 4. And then doing the same to the other side, taking away 4. So I've got 34 minus 4 on my right hand side gives me 30. And then on my left hand side, 5n plus 4 take away 4. Now again, the whole point is we're cancelling out this plus 4. Where you think 4 minus 4 is just equal to 0. So I've just got 5n. So I've got 5n equals 30 as an equivalent equation. Now my next step is to undo that times 5. So again, the opposite here would be to divide by. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So as I divide both sides by 5. So again, I'll start with the left hand side. So 5n divided by 5. Now again, the idea is to get rid of that 5. So I'm just left with n by itself. And then 30 divided by 5 is 6. So that means my solution for this equation, 5n plus 4 equals 34, is n equals 6. For this next one, e plus 5 over 3 equals 11. Again, my operations here, because that e plus 5 is together in our numerator, that's going to be my first step. So first we added 5, and then I divided by 3. So again, working backwards, we're going to deal with that divided by 3. So the opposite of that is now to multiply. So we just need to remember we're doing the inverse, so the opposite of each operation in reverse order, and you're going to do the same to both sides. So 11 times 3 gives me 33. And then e plus 5 over 3 times 3. Again, the idea is to get rid of that denominator. So I've just got e plus 5. Now, that first step of plus 5, so undoing that, we're going to subtract 5. Subtract 5. So on the left hand side, that leaves me with just e by itself. And on the right hand side, 33 minus 5 gives me 27. So my solution to the second equation is e equals 27. And that's how we can solve equations using our inverse operations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you all next time.